Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Happy Saturday. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the Nike Air Max Sequence 2 for grade school. So I got this from Kohl's. Unfortunately, they don't take like reward cards or coupon. It's exclusion, so you can only use code cash. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed real quick, guys. So let me give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. You got the Nike swoosh. Just do it. It says a box made in Vietnam. Got the Nike swoosh right here. That's a top view with the Nike swoosh. And it says Nike Air Max Sequent 2. US dollar is original price is $80. This is size 4Y youth. UK is 3.5. Euro is 36. So this one was on sale for $60. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. But if you spend $50 or more, you get the $10 code cash. So we got the $10 code cash, which is good. Let's go ahead and open this. Wow. So it is black with a silver swoosh logo. And then you got the Air Max right here. Pretty cool. And you got the neon bright green. Got the Nike swoosh right there. Well, the outsole is kind of dirty because I guess somebody tried them on. And it says Air Max on the bottom right here with the Nike swoosh. And here is the other side. And on the tongue it says Nike Air Max Sequent 2. So this one looks brand spanking new. So I guess people try them on the left side of the shoes. Got the Nike swoosh. And this has a nice pattern. So on the front of the toe box, it's kind of like a shiny right here. And then there's a size label right there. Let's check it out. The insole is glued down, so I cannot take it out. Alright, so this is just my quick unboxing for this Air Max Sequent 2. Hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on your bell for notification or drop any in the comments on below. Alright? Anyway, thank you for watching and happy Saturday. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out.